Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It is your creative weird makeup pal Kat to bring you another makeup transformation. Today's video is actually sponsored in collaboration with Spirit Halloween. All of the makeup products and costumes in this video are from Spirit Halloween at a very affordable price, so you could definitely check out the description box below to pick out any makeup products or the outfit you see in this video today. We are going to definitely be doing a creepy clown makeup look that I feel like is achievable for anyone to recreate for the Halloween season. Even my nails today are from Spirit Halloween. I absolutely love them, and they already come with adhesive. They're press on, very well made and stay on. I've had them on all day, and my extensions, these curly red and black pieces, are from Spirit Halloween as well. But let's get started with today's makeup look. To start off this look, I am going to be grabbing the Ultimate Makeup Kit from Spirit Halloween to do my all over face base, and we are going to flatten our eyebrows down as well. Just using some glue stick and powder, the usual trick, flattening them down so that we could paint on top of them with whatever translucent powder you have. Alright, now that our brows are flattened, I'm going to get the red crayon and start doing openings on the clown face paint in red hearts to where we're going to see like skin, and we're going to do like heart-like wounds. Cutesy heart. I really want it to look like the clown is creepy and uncovering some skin underneath the makeup. Maybe we'll do some blood later, definitely will. I want this clown to be as creepy as can be, but also cute, if that makes sense. So now that we have some red hearts down with our red crayon, I'm just gonna get the white cream makeup from this kit and start patting it on the rest of my face around the red hearts. You really want to cover those brows with this and the rest of any type of human skin other than the hearts. You could even get a paintbrush with the same cream paint to really cover those brows. And you can even use it to get around any of the hearts or in the creases of the nose especially too. I don't know why, but clowns are just my absolute favorite makeup looks to apply. They could look cute, they could look creepy, adorable, terrifying. How is something with a fake painted on smile look so terrifying to us? I wonder what the history of clowns is, like how it originated, who thought of coming up with clowns. Now don't get discouraged if your white face paint isn't even. I've been doing this for a very long time, and I could tell you that putting on white face makeup, I think white face makeup like this and bald caps are some of the hardest makeups to achieve, even if you're a skilled makeup artist. So even if you're doing this for Halloween, it can be a little tough, just this part of it, but the rest is pretty easy. And the other problem I have with white face makeup is how much goes in your hair, in your hairline. Now I'm just gonna set this face with my powder, make sure especially around my eyes won't crease before moving on to the next steps. You could just use baby powder too if you don't have any translucent powder on hand. With the red crown, I'm just going to go back in to darken up those spots that may have been covered a little bit. And I'm just getting this red paint with my finger to pat in the red nose. Again, we're just doing like the blush of the happy cutesy clown. If you want it really pigmented, you could just use a brush instead of your finger. And I'm just going to do like a heart-shaped mouth. Pat more powder on it. Get some of your black crayon from your makeup supplies, the same Ultimate Kit from Spirit, and we're just doing like this sad eye look, extending the edges of the eyes and then doing daggers. You could even get a brush with it and just do some daggers through the eyes. You could even outline these with black and do some blood on the hearts. Now from the same makeup kit, I am just going to use the vampire blood, and I'm going to put the vampire blood like in the hearts around the mouth too, dripping. Even you can have it come from the nose. And I just want it to look like drippy bloody hearts. Just don't get it dripping in your actual eye. Now we're going to put on our outfit, and I'm going to put on my costume, and we will be back. And just like that, we have turned into this happy creepy clown. Thank you so much for Spirit Halloween for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. All the products can be purchased at Spirit Halloween stores. The list for everything will be down in my description box below. I hope you had so much fun watching this. I love Halloween season so much. There's so many things that you could create and turn into with some simple makeup at home. Leave a comment down below on what other video ideas you would love to see this Halloween season or year round on this YouTube channel. This was so creepy and so fun to spook everyone around my house with. I can't wait to dress up for trick-or-treaters this year. I'll try not to scare them too bad. You can definitely subscribe for more videos like this. We do beauty, makeups, body paintings, effects videos every Monday and Friday, and I'll see you then. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!